Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on addition of fractions. In this video we will use simple diagrams to show how to add simple fractions together. If necessary, we will simplify the answer in the same way we did in the previous video. So the first example, we have a circle here with a quarter of the circle shaded, and here we have another circle with a quarter of the circle shaded. We are asked to find 1/4 of a circle plus 1/4 of a circle. The reason we say that is we have this plus sign here. We need to add the two parts together. We can see what happens when we join the two parts together. So basically that part there and that part there have been joined together and we get the two parts. Here they are. See? Now it's very clear to see, if you draw a line across there like that, that is actually 2/4. 1, 2 over a possible 4. So there are 4 parts altogether, but we only have 2 parts that are shaded, so we get 2/4. So we can see what happens when we join the two parts together. 2/4. Now, as we did in the previous video, we are going to find something that divides into 2 and into 4 evenly. The largest number, well, that's easy. The number is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the answer is 1/2. So 2/4 is actually 1/2. So we have seen how a quarter plus a quarter gives you 1/2. Example 2. We are asked to find 1/8 of a circle plus 1/8 of a circle. There's the plus sign there, see? We need to add the two parts together. So we can see when we took this part here and this part here, here they are. They are the two parts. In other words, there are two parts. So we can see that what happens when we join the two parts together, we get two parts that are shaded out of a total of 8. This 8 is very important. It always means the total number that we have divided the circle or the object into. 8 parts. How do we simplify 2/8? We find something that divides into 2 evenly and into 8 evenly, like we did in the last video. And that number is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the answer is 1/4. So in other words, 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 1/4. Example 3. We are asked to find 1/3 of a circle plus 1/3 of a circle. We need to add the two parts together. So when we did that, here they are. There's one of the parts, and there's the other one. In other words, 2 parts are shaded out of a total of 3. Now when you look at that fraction, look at it carefully, you can see that it cannot be simplified down any further because there is no whole number that divides into 2 evenly and into 3 evenly without a remainder. That's what evenly means. So in other words, that fraction stays the same. Cannot be simplified any further. Example 4. We are asked to find 1/5 of a circle plus 2/5 of a circle. You can see here that one part is shaded out of 5. There's your 1/5. Here, 2 parts are shaded out of 5. That's your 2/5. When we add those together, look what happens. We get 3 parts out of a total of 5. So that is the answer, 3 out of 5. We do not need to simplify this fraction because nothing divides into both numbers evenly. And that video has shown you how to add simple fractions together using diagrams.